On August the 26th, 1883, the tiny volcanic island of Krakatau erupted, creating one of the worst natural disasters in recorded history. In less than 48 hours, it destroyed hundreds of towns and villages and left more than 36,000 people dead.
Okay, welcome back. It's an amazing time. I've just been, I took off from Jakarta here. I've been around the volcano at Krakatau and in the strait there. What an amazing experience. And I'm going to try something new. Because you should try something new every day. And I'm going to do a really steep approach from like just under 5,000 feet and land on that runway. Chop the power. Nice high approach. That's it. 250, air brakes out. Gear down. Three greens. I just want to see if this can be done, you know, with this sort of very steep sort of approach angle. Maintaining speed at 230, it is actually decreasing. I haven't actually deployed any flaps. Let's just have a quick look outside. There we go, we got our air brakes out. And we're just coming down. That is awesome. I might have to retract these things. At this rate, I wanted to like see how steep I could do an approach and flare and land. But I mean, at this rate, I've got to get rid of these air brakes. One stage of flaps. That's awesome coming down from that height though. Switch to rad nav. 1,000 feet. 221. 2 stages of flaps, and I think that'll do. I don't need any more than that. Wow, that was easy. I'm so going to practice this when I get to Alice Springs, because we're going to do some performance shit when we get to Alice Springs. That's where we're going to do it. Still no throttle, completely throttle downed. Bang on target, wheels down, 2 stages of flaps, 200 knots, over the threshold, 07 left, flare, little bit of left rudder, floating, 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 still floating, and touchdown. Air brakes back out, full flaps. Don't feet on the toe brakes. Don't have any thrust reversers, unfortunately. Most tornadoes do, but this one doesn't. I haven't managed to configure it. Not techie, really. There we are. Ladies and gentlemen, we have done
Krakatau.